Ever wondered what it takes to achieve financial freedom? Or maybe you've pondered how your money could work harder for you rather than you constantly working for it. Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries of investing and provide you with a clear roadmap to financial independence. Starting on this journey might seem daunting, but remember, every great achievement begins with that first step. So let's demystify the complex world of finance, one step at a time. First, we need to understand what investing really means. It's not just about stashing your money in a bank account or buying a lottery ticket. Investing is the act of allocating resources, mainly money, with the expectation of generating an income or profit in the future. It's all about making your money work for you. Second, we delve into the types of investments. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and even your own education can all be wise investments. Each type has its own set of benefits and risks, which is why understanding them all is crucial to make smart investing decisions. Next, we look at risk and reward. In the world of investing, these two are inseparable. Higher potential rewards usually come with higher risks. However, savvy investors know how to balance these two to maximize returns while keeping risks manageable. Then, we discover the power of compound interest. Albert Einstein once said that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it, earn it. Those who don't, pay it. We'll unpack this concept and demonstrate how it can accelerate your journey towards financial freedom. After that, we discuss the importance of diversification. Putting all your eggs in one basket might sound like a good idea until the basket falls. Diversification is a key strategy to mitigate risk and increase the potential for returns in your investment portfolio. Finally, we explore the concept of dollar cost averaging. This is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the price of the investment. This strategy can help you avoid making emotional decisions based on market fluctuations and can lead to better long-term returns. As we close, remember that investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey that requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. The road to financial freedom is not always smooth, but armed with the right knowledge and strategies, you can navigate it successfully. In summary, we've learned that investing is about making your money work for you. We've explored different types of investments, the relationship between risk and reward, the power of compound interest, the importance of diversification, and the strategy of dollar cost averaging. In the world of finance, knowledge truly is power. So equip yourself with these financial tools and take that first step towards mastering your money and achieving financial freedom. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The next best time is now.